a figure with a notebook in hand, captivated by the night's beauty. The arrival of a woman with a confident stride, ready to challenge perceptions. Two souls connecting through shared joy and whispered dreams. The exchange of literary passions, sparking a fiery debate between kindred spirits. Their eyes meet, reflecting the shared desire for genuine connection and emotional depth. Engrossed in the challenge, they lose themselves in the world of fiction and desire. In the dim glow, their defenses crumble as vulnerabilities and desires lay bare. In the quiet intimacy of the night, their hearts beat in synchrony, yearning for a love beyond words. Embraced by the night's magic, they make a silent vow to craft their own love story under the star-filled sky.